What's up guys, today we're going to be talking about editing the header and footer on your mobile site in the Wix.com editor. So to get to the mobile editor, all you need to do is come up here, and where you should be on desktop, you just want to go and click mobile, and you should get a screen like this. And if we want to change the header size, just click on the header and you'll have a arrow here. And you want to click that and you can change the size of it. You can bring it up or you can bring it down. So I'm going to leave mine here, and then the same thing works for the footer. So if I scroll all the way down here and click the footer itself, I'll get another arrow here and I can drag and move that. And you'll notice for both of these, the content will follow and everything else will adjust as needed. So if I go back to the header and drag this down, you can see everything gets pushed down as I do that. If I want to change how the header works when I scroll, I can go and click change header scroll when I have the header selected. So if I click that, you'll see we have a few options. So scrolls with the site, it's just what it sounds like. As you scroll, the header will disappear towards the top because it's a part of the website, it's fixed to the top. It's like anything else on the page. If you set it to freezes, the header will always be at the top. And this will not work if you have a big header. So if your header takes up like half the screen, like I have a pretty big sized one here, it will not work. It disappears is the next one, and that will just disappear as you scroll down, and then it will appear if you're scrolling up, as you can see in this little demonstration here. As you scroll down, it disappears, but when you swipe back up, it comes back. And then the last one is fades out, and that will just fade out as you scroll down, and it reappears as you scroll up again, similar to the disappearing scroll. That's headers and footers in the mobile editor. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.